Good day, everyone. I wanted to show you a couple of finger, wrist, forearm exercises real quick to get you going for the day with your butterfly knife, with your typing, or whatever. In any case, first exercise is the palms straight up and as stretched out as possible. We're going to index the fingers. Keep going back as much as you can stand. Then, I'm going to turn the hands over. We're going to do circles, at least 10 on each side, 4 sets. Alright. Good. Then we're going to grab our fingers and we're going to bend them back in a wave. Four on each side because this stretches very quickly. Merry Christmas, by the way. We're going to grab our fingers so that you grab all the knuckles. And just go forward, up, forward. I should do this close to your chest, but just to show you. And this, you'll feel that it's very stretched out. It's very stretched. Want to do extra credit? Flip the hand over. Grab the bottom here, grab the meaty part of your hand. And touch your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's extra credit. And then shake it. Let's do it. Have a good day. Encourage each other and be blessed.